Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and today I'm going to be deep cleaning the dining room as well as doing a little decorating. So put your hair up and come join me and decorate and clean with me. So along with deep cleaning the dining room, I'm also finishing up finally decluttering all the stuff that came from the family room from our makeover of the family room. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link down below. Or actually, it's a series of videos and it's still not finished. So there's that. So hubby is home now from work. He's working from home. And actually, as posting this video, he's been home for a whole week. So that has made me feel a lot better, but I've had to work around him somewhat because he likes working downstairs instead of being upstairs in his office. So, you know, I have to work quietly sometimes. Okay, I am finishing up clearing off this table and trying to decide what to keep and what to donate, and the things that I'm keeping, trying to figure out where I'm going to store them because I am keeping less out. So now I have to figure out where I'm going to store the extra stuff. Okay, now that that's all done, I can start dusting and start decorating and doing a little bit of a tablescape. I don't totally complete it, but I have something started and I might tweak it later. Okay, so I got out a few of my spring items that I store in my hutch. I often store my tablescape stuff in my hutch or my sideboard so I don't have to go into the garage and get that bin out, and I can decorate early before I get out all the other stuff. Okay, now I'm going to dust and Windex the glass on the hutch. I'm not going to do the inside because that is a huge task. I have to take everything out, and I will just leave that for another day. Okay, a couple of years ago, I was sent these cleaning cloths from Melissa and Chad from Clean My Space. If you don't watch them, I will link them down below. So I really like them. They are really super good microfiber cloths, really good quality. But I don't like using that green one. It's supposed to be for Windexing the windows. I just prefer to use my blue paper towels. But I really do like the purple plush one for dusting. Again, it is super plush and it is a really good microfiber cloth. I've never come across microfiber cloths that were that good quality, so I do like them, and there is a couple other cloths that come with it, but I still like the yellow quickie cloths for basic cleaning to use too. Okay, now I am thoroughly vacuuming, which is why I moved the chairs out because they are pretty heavy. And oftentimes I don't vacuum under the chairs, or, you know, I don't vacuum under the table thoroughly because the chairs are in the way. So definitely needed to do that today. Okay, now I am moving on to steam cleaning the carpets and make them all fresh and clean. Okay, so even though I did all that vacuuming, there was still little tufts of fur. If you have pets, you know what I'm talking about. So when you steam clean, it still brings up some little tufts of fur, which I didn't show in this video, that I vacuumed after the carpet was dry because, yeah, I had to get up the little fur balls. Okay, on to cleaning this mess and putting everything back together. But first, I'm going to take a little water break.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side.
Okay guys, while the carpet was drying, I took a little break and I had something to eat and I took a shower and actually just went ahead and put my pajamas on because it's late in the evening, and I went ahead and put a roasted chicken in the oven, and while that's cooking I decided to dust the chairs and put them back now that the carpet is dry.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul.
Okay, at some point I realized that the little handheld shark vac that I so much love is not going to do it justice on the chair seat, so I went and got a lint brush and that worked up much better. Picked up all the cat hairs because sometimes Kirby lays on these chairs in the dining room, and so yeah, that worked a whole lot better.
It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay guys, I don't usually clean the chairs this thoroughly, but with the sun shining on the chairs like that, I was seeing all the dust. And I decided, well, I am deep cleaning, so I am just going to get to it and get in all of the nooks and crannies. And yeah, there is definitely a lot of nooks and crannies on these chairs with the lattice backing. We got this dining room set from Ashley's Furniture about 12 years ago, and it might not be in style, but hubby and I really still do love it, and yeah, it's a keeper.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay, dining room's all done except for moving that ottoman back, or the bench back into the dining room, but currently Kirby was using it to sit by hubby while he was on the computer. And I still have to clean up all of this mess. Yeah, that is going to be for another day. Okay, I need to move this picture frame, I don't know what you call it, thing back here. So I have plans in the future to change this up and get rid of this picture frame and do like a gallery wall down that section of the wall. I'm not really sure yet. I have to give it some thought.
A really bad day. But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay, earlier in the day, I straightened up this shelf, which houses some of my yarn that I like to display. I cleaned this up while my phone was charging, so I didn't film that. So this is how this turned out. It's been a mess for a little while, and I finished up the table decor. It still needs tweaking. These bird cages need another coat of paint, and I want to add a few more things to this tiered tray.
It's over now, so don't despair.
And I finished up the decor in the entryway. I had already put together this flower box down the bottom the other day, but I added a few more things here to make it complete. And just like that, it's spring.
We're gonna be okay. Fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Okay, it is now 7:30 and dinner is ready. We're just having roast chicken, and I usually do roasted vegetables, but I didn't feel like doing that, so I just opened up a can of green beans and a packet of that 7, I don't know, something or another rice that you just open and heat up. Okay guys, don't forget to tune in next Tuesday where I will be doing another spring cleaning video. I will be doing like a catch-all video and cleaning all the spaces that I did not get to this month. And as always, until next time, keep your nose out of the news, put your hair up, get cleaning, and enjoy your day.